Second theory of activation is activated complex theory or transition state theory or absolute reaction rate theory. In this theory, absolute reaction rate is determined believing that the reaction proceed via a transition state. So it is believed that when the reactant molecule possessing necessary energy of activation come together, collide, they form a activated complex which further react to give the products. So if A and B wants to give product C and D, first they will collide and form an activated complex X, and then it will break down to give C and D. For normal or direct reaction, the activated complex formed is assumed to be in equilibrium with the reactants. The activated complex is not a stable species of or a reaction intermediate. It is very short-lived, and the transient state does not represent an observable, but it is assumed to possess all the properties such as bond length, molecular weight, etc. Although the complex has all the properties of ordinary molecule, yet it is supposed to have a special vibrational undergoing at the top of the barrier. This vibration is such a loose vibration that its amplitude is large enough to break open the complex to form the product. The rate of the reaction depends upon the concentration of the activated or transition state and also the rate at which it breaks into product. During the reaction, Boltzmann distribution of energy is maintained for the reactant molecule and also for the activated complex molecule. So in short, it is believed, you can read this once, it is very important to read it, but in short we can say that when a reaction take place, the reactant molecules collide and form an activated complex. That activated complex is short-lived. It is also known as transient state. Its energy is very high, as you can see in this energy graph. Its energy is very high. It is unstable. It is only it has a very short lifetime. It decomposes into product. It cannot be, it is very difficult to isolate it. It cannot be isolated. Derivation of rate constant for biomolecular reaction for activated complex. A and B reacts to give activated complex which further react to form products. So applying the statistical mechanics, K is given by RT by N naught. N naught is Avogadro's number, H is Planck's constant into K dash. So dash should be here. From thermodynamics, we know the value of delta G is equal to minus RT log of K, and delta G also is equal to delta H minus T delta S. So putting this value and this value equal. So we also know that K is equal to E raised to power delta G by RT. How this equation came? If we take NT log on both sides, we will obtain this. Then putting the value of delta G as this here, instead if we for K dash, we will get G dash, H dash, S dash. So applying this, K is equal to this. Putting this value and solving, finally we get this equation. So this is simple derivation, you just need to learn this. There is no much explanation in this, you just need to put the values and you will get the final equation. So you can read the comparison, but this is not very important. You can just read this once, and if you have any problem, we can discuss it.